Hello, and welcome to my channel. My name is Teacher Erica, and today we are going to learn basic phonics blending. So we're going to read 2-letter words today. The first word is N. We have A and N. A makes A, N makes N. Put them together, A, N, A, N, N, N. Next word, M. We have A and M. A makes A, M makes M. Put them together, am, am. Next word, at. We have A and T. A makes A and T makes T. Put them together, at, at. Next word, it. We have I and T. I makes I and T makes T. Put them together, it, it, it. Next word, in. We have I and N. I makes I, N makes N. Put them together, in, in. Last word, on. We have O and N. O makes O, N makes N. Put them together, on, on. Keep practicing.